Hey, what's up guys, Tech Mania here, and today we're going to be doing a computer case unboxing of the CIT Saturn. And this comes in blue and red, but we got the blue version. Now it has two LED fans that are blue, so we're going to do an unboxing of this for you. So this is my YouTube partner Ollie, he's going to be guiding us through the unboxing.
So, blue LED fan.
Yeah, looks like a good case.
Yeah, you can just see the top, it's got these...
This is where power supply will go.
Oh yeah.
Motherboard, peripherals, stuff like that. And then you've got a little extra slot for another fan if you want to.
Yep. Okay. Now it's shut. There we go.
Okay. You can pull it out faster. Okay, so there we have the case. Okay.
Okay, so here it is. There is some USB ports, headphone ports, microphone.
These are 3.5mm.
Yeah, 3.5.
And this is USB 2.0.
Okay, I'll just take this polystyrene.
Power button and the reset button.
So it's
Take the plastic off.
shiny black.
Wow. Looks like a very nice case. A little fan.
You can see inside it there's a fan there, some LEDs.
So on the back,
This is the back.
you've got your slot for your video card.
Inside it you can see a few screws. I don't know if you can see that here.
In fact, let's take the side off here. Just unscrew these thumb screws. Do that one. Just place them in there. Okay.
Okay,
so we've got the fan.
Got some LEDs in there. Look there. You can just see them.
I think these are Molex plugs, which plug into your power supply. And then inside we've got where your motherboard will go. Power supply will go up here. And then we've got a few wires bundled together here, which will plug into your motherboard. And then we've got some screws to tie down the motherboard here. So altogether this looks like a very nice case if we get a front view of it. If you look from the front. So as you can see, it looks like a very nice case. And then we've got the drive bay, which opens up here. And then in there you would have your drives. There, that just snaps out there, like so. I'm not going to do it for the purpose of the video, because I think I just snapped it. Oh well. So yeah, altogether, if you're thinking about getting this case, I definitely recommend it, because it's great for the price. We got this for just £25, £5 postage and packaging from CCL online. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting it, definitely get it if you're thinking about building a computer. So thanks for watching guys, and please comment, rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.